It is shocking to know that vertical solar panels can produce much more power than horizontally deployed ones. It is not just a theory anymore. Researchers in the Netherlands have proven such unexpected gains in vertical PV systems, resulting in a 2.5% higher annual energy. To put this in perspective, we are now wasting a huge amount of energy only just by selecting the wrong ordination of PV panels. You will be surprised to know that such energy gain is due to a mysterious factor no one has thought of before, and it is not related to having more solar irradiance. So do you agree with the researchers to change all solar panels to be vertical? Knowing that vertical solar panels also can yield less dust accumulation and a lower chance of attaching dirt from birds. And most importantly, vertical panels can be arranged in a portrait orientation, requiring significantly less ground space. So watch the video till the end to know the main reasons for such an unexpected twist in PV arrangements. Do not forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started! You're likely accustomed to the traditional sight of solar installations, which is panels positioned upwards to capture sunlight, a logical approach to maximize energy absorption. However, a new trend is emerging with the adoption of bifacial vertical solar panels. These panels offer a more adaptable footprint, prompting innovators in Canada, Europe, and beyond to experiment with unconventional setups. Interestingly, users of these panels have reported unexpectedly high energy yields, puzzling engineers. However, a recent study from the Netherlands may provide insights into this phenomenon. Does this challenge our conventional understanding of solar panel placement, or is it simply a matter of recalculating our expectations? The discovery begins with a team of researchers from the Netherlands Organization for Applied Scientific Research. They have conducted a series of tests and simulations on PV generation. They focused to uncover the reasons behind the unexpected yield gains observed in vertical PV systems compared to horizontal arrays. Their findings reveal that vertical installations maintain significantly lower operating temperatures. Many conferences and workshops have showcased superior performance in vertical bifacial PV installations. However, there's a lack of published literature demonstrating that this performance is accompanied by notably lower operating temperatures compared to freestanding fixed-tilt PV systems with similar total irradiance. These reduced operating temperatures positively impact the operating voltage, thereby enhancing total energy generation, especially in high irradiance conditions. The researchers elucidated that voltage is influenced by both light intensity and solar cell temperature. Under increasing irradiance, voltage rises logarithmically, while it decreases with rising temperature, typically by 0.3–0.4% per degree Celsius. In standard systems, the increase in voltage due to light is counteracted by the decrease caused by higher operating temperatures under high irradiance conditions. However, in vertical systems, the researchers observed that operating temperatures don't rise as much, allowing the voltage to increase and decrease to balance each other out more effectively. Utilizing digital twins, a virtual representation of real-world assets, the group modeled a real PV system alongside its digital counterpart. These digital twins, commonly used for solar power plant operation and maintenance, mimic PV panel output based on time series weather and environmental data, allowing for comparison with observed data. Measurements were taken from a vertical PV system near facilities in Petten, the Netherlands. This east-west system comprises 9 rows, each equipped with 8 315W bifacial modules, spaced 2 4 or 6 m apart, with 60 modules featuring N-type M2 TOPCon solar cells out of the 72 deployed. Through analysis using an in-house developed extraction method, the group determined that the heat transfer coefficients of vertical panels are nearly double those of horizontal panels. Heat transfer coefficients dictate how heat energy moves between materials and are commonly used, for example, in home insulation. The researchers also found that the vertical array operates at a temperature difference with respect to ambient that is almost halved, resulting in a 2.5% higher annual energy yield. These findings underscore the importance of assessing the actual operating conditions of emerging solar panel applications. It's projected that this effect will lead to a 2–3% increase in annual electricity yield in the Netherlands. As the lower operating temperature slows degradation mechanisms, an effect likely to be more significant in regions with higher irradiance conditions. So, why we have not seen a lot of vertical PV panels till now? Well, there are challenges for switching to such vertical solar panels. For property owners, vertical solar panels present certain drawbacks that should be considered. These include limited availability of experienced companies for installation, as most technicians are trained in horizontal installation methods, potentially making it more challenging to find expertise in vertical panel installation. Additionally, whether for commercial or residential properties, vertical panel installation poses challenges, which is due to the need for specialized staging, mounting hardware, and heightened safety considerations compared to horizontal installations. Consequently, the installation costs for vertical panels are typically higher, increasing the overall investment. Furthermore, maintaining and repairing vertical panels can be problematic, requiring the construction of scaffolding or risky methods of technician access, adding to the difficulty and expense of upkeep. So now, write your comments about such a new way to arrange PV panels. Do you think it will be visible to be applied anywhere? Your comments are encouraging us to continue the efforts to promote renewable energy, hoping for a clean and bright future. Do not forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.